Watch me scale my paper trading with trend line strategy.
23. It looks like pretty soon we'll be having a fourth signal to take. So I'm just waiting for this candle to break through. When it breaks through, I am setting a buy limit for 1:2, and then I'll keep you updated.
So as you can see, before I could put in the buy limit, it already started going into profit. I'll just adjust this a bit so that I can get it even. So as you know, this is a paper trade, please, paper trade, and this sign, this thumbs up, is the paper trade. The rest was the last time I entered into my real account, my profit account. But from today going, it's paper trading. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. I fell asleep on this one. I came here halfway. I did not take it. I took this and I came on break even. Okay, so not break even, 1:1, I guess, almost 1:1. 1:1 is about $190, but yeah. So we're on this, guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so something came to mind and I want to tell you guys about it. So I was supposed to take this trade if it's a 3 solid touch point. Excuse me, if it's a 3 solid touch points. Okay, so right now you can see this is 1 point here, this is 1 point here, but it's not 3. So that's why I want to end the trade. So yeah, even though it's in red, that's not the reason why, but because that came to my mind, I was supposed to make sure it was a 3 solid touch point or a 3 solid 2 touch point before I take it. Okay, so this is a 30-minute time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is not looking bad also. I'm going to arrange the line properly and see. Okay, so after arranging it on the 15-minute time frame, now it's a solid 3 touch points. So I'm going to let the trade ride. I'll let it ride and let's see. So as you can see, I have modified my lines. I have added this line to protect my buy. So as far as this buy does not come to cross this line, I'm safe. To make it a bit more safer, I could add more line to the second touch point. Yes. So I keep protecting my lines. I keep protecting my entry. So as far as this keeps going, there is no need to even put a stop loss here. Okay, so usually if I want to use sit and forget strategy on this, what I'll do is I'll take out my TP on my MT5. Okay, I'll remove it and just keep watching on my screen. If it passes here, which is 2:1, then I can move my stop loss on this place. So I protect my 2:1, and whatever else I get is fine. We can see that the next point here is right here. So that means that if this trade plays out, it will eventually get to somewhere here. So for me not to lose out in such a profit, I would take out my buy on my MT5 and then wait. If it passes here, then I can set my break even to this place. You understand? So yeah, I continue holding on, protecting my entry with this line. As far as it does not break through this line, I still keep remaining in the trade. So eventually, this is what trend line is about, and I learned it from Tori, and she said her uncle taught her, and it's been very helpful. The win rate has been really good. There are losses, which of course is inevitable, but the win rates are good. Okay, so update on the second trade. As you can see, the red candle is about to break through the blue line, meaning that I really do not have to wait for it to hit my stop loss before I get out of the trade. So I could get out of the trade as soon as it crosses this line. And I'm on the 15-minute candle chart, so it's left with about 8 minutes for it to close. So with that 8 minutes can really tell me what I should do. Should I continue to wait or I close the trade? So that is what trend line is. So trend line basically tells you, it doesn't put you in that FOMO energy. You can decide to close the trade here, or probably price is just trying to respect the line. price is either trying to respect this line or that line. So yes, you need to basically confirm and see how many minutes. So in the next 7 minutes, I'll know where this is taking me to. Hope you understand. Okay, so I'm constantly doing this video so that I don't have to do it in the future. Okay, so currently you can see that the price is respecting this line, right? Yes, it's respecting this line, and this is what the trend line does. If it should break out, you have to confirm with the candle time and make sure that the candle time closes before you close your trade. That is, if it should come across. So currently I'm on my way. I'm about to leave the house to go get some soap and toothpaste. Let's see how it plays out. By 11 o'clock, I should be able to start preparing for the next strategy, which is the break and retest strategy. This one is just for extra confirmation, but this is the tool that I use: trend line and break and retest. Break and retest only presents one entry a day, but trend line, you can see, presents multiple. Since the market opened 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth one. It's presenting the fourth entry, and it continues like that. Sometimes 5, sometimes 6, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. It depends. So yeah, I keep you updated. Okay guys, so I came back from going to buy toothpaste and all. I think I took about 1 hour 30 minutes exactly, and it's already 12:30, which is 9:30 New York time. So New York has opened, so you can see what happened, and it hits my TP, full TP. I'm very happy, and you can see what trend line does. So now that it has crossed here, this is an opportunity for you to enter a sell, and this is the second strong confirmation for you to enter a sell. So assuming I was watching my screen, of course I could have entered another trade for a sell and go for 1:2 again, but basically you get the point. So trend line presents about 5 to 6 trades a day, starting from 3 a day. And yeah, so now we are going to look for our break and retest strategy. Yes, don't worry, this was 0.09. That was when I was using a 6K account, but now I'm using a 25K account. I'm using 0.18 lot size. So yeah, so I have set my screen. I have entered my sell limit as well, hoping for a retest. If there is no retest, I don't enter, but if there's a retest, it will tap me in. And yes, so let's see how this one plays out. No, okay, please. So I just got tapped in on the break and retest, and let's see how it goes. So I lost 100 more because, as you can see, I lost 100 more because I increased my stop loss. I moved my stop loss upper, which was so unnecessary. So I think my stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, so my stop loss should be somewhere here, but I increased it hoping that this is what you're not supposed to do, always increasing your stop loss. So now I'm on 100. I lost $100 more. I am thinking that I should just stick to one strategy because this presents more than enough for me to enter a day. I think if I enter 3 or 4 a day is good. At least two a day is good, you know. And trend line presents more than that. So why don't I just stick to trend lines? That's what I am thinking. Why don't I just stick to trend line? So you see it's dropping. You see it's dropping. That was the reason why I was increasing my stop loss, because I have a huge feeling that it's going to drop some more. But regardless, you're not supposed to do that. So it's fine. I think okay. So starting from today, I'm going to stick to trend line. Okay, I'm going to stick to just trend line. No more break and retest, guys. So let's see from tomorrow how many trend lines entries trend line will provide for me to enter, if you understand the English. So you see, if I had been using trend line, I could have caught this 1:2 again. But yeah, so you see, trend line has produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies, 6 signals for you to enter. I'll just stick to trend lines then. Yeah, so I want to show you why I was adjusting my stop loss because of this. You see, because I had a feeling it would come and retest this, whatever is it, support, resistance, whatever is it. Yes, you come and break it or touch it and come down. But because it passed it, so I was aiming for here. So I put my stop loss here, and you can see that after it passed through, it's coming back down. But I don't know, the trade isn't valid anymore for me though, and I got stopped out by stop loss. I even lost $100 extra. So, but I will keep practicing it, but I'm not going to be entering starting from tomorrow. Starting from tomorrow, I'll only focus on the trend line, so that I will see how many perfect signals I can get from the trend line. And meaning that if I get one loss, one red a day, I stop. Just one red, or maybe 2 reds a day, I stop. What do you think? Tell me, how many